Hi, I'm Tim Panton. I'm the CTO at Pipe. I want to show you today some work we've been doing on making user interfaces to IoT devices, and specifically lighting, easier to use and more secure. So what we've got here today is a Raspberry Pi Zero with an e-ink display on it controlling 3 RGB LEDs. So this is a very small portable version of what might be a lighting system for an office or a street or a club or a shop or indeed your home. So what we have here on the Raspberry Pi is a little local web interface which will control these 3 RGB LEDs. But that's not desperately convenient because I might want to control it over 4G, I might not be on the same LAN. So what the Pipe interface adds is the ability to claim ownership of a device. So when a device is first switched on, you'll see this QR code coming on, very first switch on. And that allows you to claim ownership of the device and to assert that it is your device. So we do that with a standard Android phone. Just use the QR code reader, point that at this QR code, and then go to the URL that's in the QR code. Now that is a process for claiming the device. The device is now exchanging an X509 set of credentials, secure key effectively, with my smartphone, and the smartphone has now got an encrypted tunnel between itself in the browser and the device. So the device is now recognized that it's owned by me. You can see that by the Pipe symbol being tighter together now. And in the meantime, what's happened is that the web interface that was local on the device has been moved over the Pipe encrypted tunnel to run locally in the browser of my device. So now I can change the lighting just by tapping on this interface. And as you see, it's nice and quick, direct interface, and it's in a web browser. I haven't had to install an app to control this device. So that's nice, but even better, we have a process for lending temporary control to somebody else. So if you have a guest or a shift worker or something, you can say that you want to lend this device to a friend. So what we'll do is we'll put that there. And now, representing our friend, I will get my iPhone. And we will use the camera on the iPhone to scan this QR. You see we get a QR code notification at the top of the screen there. I scan this lending QR. The two of them talk. The device is now lent for one session. The website is now being downloaded onto my iPhone now, and I am now controlling it from my iPhone. Now what's really nice about this is that these 3 devices are on actually different networks, but we still have an encrypted tunnel from here to there using a standard web interface and standard web browsers that come with the IoT devices. So yeah, and as you see, it's nice and quick.